Imagine this. You're watching your favorite TV show, laughing at the jokes, feeling the emotions. But there's something different. It's in English. And guess what? You're not just watching, you're learning without even realizing it. Or maybe you're deep into a game, strategizing, communicating, winning. English isn't a lesson here. It's a tool that helps you play better, connect, and compete on a global level. You love stories? Imagine listening to an exciting podcast while walking, hearing real conversations, picking up phrases effortlessly, as if English is just flowing into your mind. Social media? Instead of just scrolling, you're engaging, leaving comments, chatting with people from around the world. Every reply is a small step toward fluency. See the pattern? The key to learning English isn't endless grammar drills or boring textbooks. It's turning what you already love into your learning process. No pressure, no stress, just enjoyment. So, what do you enjoy? Find it in English, live it in English, and watch how effortlessly fluency comes to you. Make English fun. Make English effortless. Just start. Imagine diving into a world where English is not just a language but a gateway to endless opportunities. Picture yourself exploring new hobbies, from cooking to coding, all in English. Each recipe you follow, each line of code you write, brings you closer to fluency. Think about the thrill of understanding your favorite songs, singing along with confidence, and even writing your own lyrics. English becomes the soundtrack of your life, enriching every moment. And what about sports? Whether you're watching a game or playing one, English commentary and communication enhance your experience, making you feel part of a global community. The beauty of learning English this way is that it never feels like a chore. It's a natural, enjoyable part of your daily routine. So, embrace the journey. Let English be the key that unlocks new passions and experiences. The adventure is just beginning. Keep going and watch your skills soar. Now let's talk about the power of technology in learning English. Imagine using apps and online platforms that turn language learning into a game. Each level you complete, each challenge you overcome, boosts your confidence and skills. Virtual reality can transport you to English-speaking environments, where you can practice conversations and immerse yourself in different cultures. It's like traveling the world without leaving your home. Social media platforms offer endless opportunities to connect with native speakers, join language exchange groups, and participate in discussions. Every interaction helps you improve, making learning social and fun. Podcasts and audiobooks are your companions on the go, turning commutes and workouts into productive learning sessions. You absorb new vocabulary and phrases effortlessly, as if by osmosis. The digital age has made learning English more accessible and enjoyable than ever before. Embrace these tools, and let technology be your guide on this exciting journey. The future of language learning is here. Dive in and explore the possibilities. As you continue your English learning adventure, remember that consistency is key. Make it a habit to engage with the language every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Surround yourself with English. Change the language settings on your devices, follow English-speaking influencers, and watch English content. The more you immerse yourself, the more natural it will feel. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Find a community of fellow learners, share your experiences, support each other, and celebrate your successes together. Learning is more enjoyable when you have others to share the journey with. Keep an open mind and stay curious. The world of English is vast and full of wonders. Embrace the journey and let your passion for learning guide you. Your adventure awaits. Keep going and enjoy every moment of it. Learning English can be a journey filled with excitement and discovery. Imagine traveling to new places, meeting new people, and experiencing new cultures, all while improving your English skills. Picture yourself reading your favorite book in English, understanding every word and feeling the emotions of the story as if it were written just for you. Or perhaps you're watching a thrilling movie, catching every twist and turn and discussing it with friends in English. The possibilities are endless when you make English a part of your everyday life. So, take the first step. Dive into the world of English and let the adventure begin.